hey, seriously, come here, come here, come here. I got something to tell you. I know you want to find a way how to make fast cash right now, and that's what I'm going to share with you in this video. So if you land on this video, I know that's the main reason why you actually click on here. So I'm going to show you a fast way how to make money right now. So if you want to learn how to do that, make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. I'm not going to here to BS anybody. I'm going to show you a method that not many people know about it. Now, if you don't jump on this right away, of course, there's other people going to try this method as well. So you always want to be the first one, be ahead of the game, apply what I'm going to teach you in this video. So that way you can go out there and you can crush it. If this is your first time here to my YouTube channel, oh my goodness, what took you so long? My name is Andre, and I talk about affiliate marketing, just different ways how I can share my knowledge with you so you can go out there and you can crush it. I talk about entrepreneurship, how to make money online. So I'll make a lot of videos, and I'm going to show you them right now. So there you go. I've made a ton of videos about how to make money, entrepreneurship, and just different ways that I could share my knowledge with you. So watch these videos, put these things that I talk about into action, and I can tell you that you will get results. So fast way how to make money online, that's what I'm going to share with you in this video. So make sure you watch it all the way to the end. And I'm going to share with you how you can find people to do this. You're not going to chase friends and family. You're not going to be bugging people. I'm going to show you where to go because there's already people that are looking for what I'm going to share with you. So again, watch it all the way to the end. So if you're looking for my #1 recommendation, come on now. Click on the first link in the description. I'll send that over to you right now. So let's do this. The first thing first, what we're going to do is we're going to head on over to Google. We all love Google. Google is a great place to go. And what we're going to search for? We're going to search for a particular word that is called Wondershare. So Wondershare is what we're going to be looking for. We're going to be going to Wondershare affiliate program, but I'm going to share with you how this is going to help a lot of you. And you're going to make money fast, and you're going to make money with this method. Now, if you come over here, this particular website is a website that is called Phillimore. So Phillimore is backed by Wondershare, Wondershare/Phillimore. I'm going to also leave this link down in the description so you can get access to it, because I know a lot of people not going to remember what I'm going to be saying. So this right here is a website that it's all about video editing, creators, and all that type of stuff. There's tons of people looking for a particular software to do video editing. And that's where I'm going to show you where you're going to find those people. And those people are already looking for things that you already have. So that's going to be very interesting. So this particular website, as you can see, if you click on here, you watch this video, they do a lot of editing. So people want to put titles, they want to do effects, they want to do overlays, they want to make it like really cool. This is a particular software that can change everything so your videos look clean. And then some people want to put it on YouTube, some people want to put it on their blog, some people just want to use it to advertise on different social media platforms such as Instagram and all that type of stuff. So you see that guy is like ready to go bonkers. So this is their particular, you can use the sound tools, you can put music on it. So it's a complete package of an actual video editing software. So you're not missing a beat. If you click on here as well, the same video repeating. But these are some of the things. Get more done, fine tune your adventures, and perfect your aesthetic. I don't know what that is. You can figure it out. You can let me know in the comments. I'm not going to know either. But you see where I'm going. You share your story. You do that. People can, and the good thing is that people can download this for free. So here comes the hook, because once you reach out to these people, you can let them know that, hey, I have a great editing software that you can use. You could download it for free, and then you could start to try it and see if it's going to work for you. That's the hook, because once they sign up and they download it for free, once they use it, of course, it's natural that people are going to want to take off the watermark. They're going to want to add more features. They want to put music. They want to do all these things because they want to make it fancy. So that's where you're going to make a commission. So we're going to use an affiliate marketing angle to this twist. So first thing first, you want to sign up for this great affiliate program. So you're going to come over here to Wondershare affiliate program. Once you click on Wondershare affiliate program, then you want to scroll down and you want to click on where it says Wondershare business relation. Once you click on it, it's going to then take you over to the Wondershare business relation. So if you scroll through here, you'll see the affiliate marketing program. Now I'm going to zoom in so you could see that this affiliate marketing program, it ain't no joke. Website owners can earn as much as $3,000 a week by joining our affiliate marketing program. Let me say that again, $3,000 a week. Of course, you're brand new, you gotta get your skills up, and eventually if you hustle like you're broke, then you can make that type of money. So how are you gonna sign up? You wanna scroll down here, and how do you sign up if you're not a part of these affiliate networks? And what are affiliate networks? They're like, such as like ClickBank, all that type of stuff, different affiliate networks where there's multiple different products. If you're not a part of these networks, that's totally cool. You want to come over here and you could sign up for any one of these. Well, share a sale is always a good one. Once you click on the share a sale, all you have to do is just fill this out. Fill it out, sign up, become a member, choose a username, change your country, right? Whatever country listed, make sure you add your country there. And then once you confirm, you click next. There's like a 5-step process that you have to sign up for. So once you sign up for that, then you'll be ready to go. So let's say you get your affiliate link, you're ready to go, you want to go start promoting. And before I do that, I want to share something with you so that way you can see the commission rate. So look at the commission rate, right? The commission rate, if you get monthly sales of less than $2,000, you're going to get 30%, which is roughly equivalent to about 500 something bucks per month that you did not have. So the more sales you have, the more chance you get of getting more money. So that's how it is. You just got to hustle, make sure you go out there and you could crush it, and eventually you could start to bring in more money. So once you sign up for the affiliate marketing program, now where do you find people? That's where people are asking. Now, where are these people? How am I going to get people to sign up? Let's not worry, my friend. That's why I'm here. I'm going to share with you a method that you can use. Now, the first thing first, what we're going to do, we're going to go on Facebook. So Facebook is where we're going to go, and I'm going to show you a few different platforms that you could go. So since this is an editing software, you can type in, I need editing software, video editing. Let's not forget video editing software. Click on the search tab. Once you click on the search tab, you will see a bunch of different things that are going to pop up. Now there's going to be recent ones, and there's going to be some ones that are probably there for a long time. Now this guy right here, this was June 23rd. I'm shooting this video 2 days. And if you look in the comment section, already, people already referring to different softwares. Now, not every one of these he's going to want to click on. He's not going to be clicking on it. Now, if this is a video editing group, over 26,000 people in this group, there's always going to be people asking this type of question. I need editing group, right? If you look down here, this was in May, but if you click on here, people already saying Phillimore, all that stuff. Cool. You can join these groups. Once you join these groups, you can go in. Now look at this one, June 24. Used to, but it's not a problem. Video editing on my computer, Phillimore Pro, it's great, but you need at least 6 gig RAM and all that type of stuff. People are looking for people, and they're looking for software, I should say, softwares to do some editing for them. So that's where you're going to come in. You're going to type in and you're going to recommend. Once you get that link, you could say something like, hey, I noticed that you're looking for a video editing software. I have the perfect solution for you. This one is absolutely free. You could sign up for it. Now, when someone sign up and download for free, it doesn't mean that someone is going to buy right away. So that's where people are going to use it. They're going to try it. They're going to like it, and that's where it's going to kick in. So the more people that you have sign up for this, the better chance you have of doing that as well. Likewise, you can go on Quora. All right, Quora platform. You could just sign in with Quora. And I'm just going to sign in real quick. So you can just sign up for Quora, and then you could do the same thing. I need video editing software. So once you do that, you see a bunch of different people popping up. Look at this. I need video editing software. There's 3 answers. There are already people hopping on this, but not every one of these people are going to like. So you're going to be the person who's going to give a little bit of value. You're not going to take your link and just slap it on there. Write not an entire book, but write a nice paragraph of something. And that's where once you place that link, people will check it out. And the good thing, here's the thing, there's other people who's going to come back and doing the same thing in search. So that link will always be there. So that is a great way how you can make fast money, right? Way how to make fast money right away. And you could go over to Twitter. Twitter is a great place as well. You could do the same thing. I need video editing software. So once you do that and you type in, now you're going to see a bunch of people, like look right here, video editing software, video editing software. People want to make videos. It's common that people are creating YouTube channel. They're doing it for their blog. They're doing it for whatever reason. And this person right here, I need a video software. Plus, I only have $500 on it. So look at this. You can this was like 2 days ago. So you could go, boom, hit this person up and say, I got a great software that you can check out. And then once they do that, use your affiliate link and say, download this and let me know what you think. So I hope you enjoy this video. This is a way, a fast way how you can make some money online just by sharing your affiliate links to people that are already looking for what you're trying to promote. So it's not like you're going to take your random link and just going out there. These people are already looking for video editing software. So that's where you're going to come in, and that's where you're going to give a little bit of value, and then you offer it to them. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I didn't want to take up too much of your time. That's a fast way how to make money online right now. And you could go out there, you can get paid through PayPal, through your bank, whatever payment method that you want to set up, you could just get started right away. So thank you so much for watching. My name is Andre. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment, let me know what you think. Share it all over the world. Give it to someone that deserves to learn how to make fast money right away. So thanks for watching. Check out the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.